Is your Ford F-150 showing a black screen when you plug in for Apple CarPlay? The good news is that 80% of these connectivity glitches are solved by a simple software reset. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to get your display back to normal. Start by unplugging your cable and checking the charging port for any debris that might interfere with the connection. If that fails, head into your sync settings to forget your device and restart your iPhone to clear any background process errors. You can perform a master reset through the General Settings menu if the black screen persists after a power cycle. Most users fix this at home, but if you still see a black screen, you might be dealing with a faulty APIM module. Replacing a cable is cheap, but replacing the infotainment module can be costly if it's truly broken. For advanced troubleshooting, check your fuse box and scan for any stored communication error codes. Ensure you have a high-quality data cable and a basic scanner on hand before you start any electrical work. A quick pro tip: disconnecting the negative battery terminal for 10 minutes often forces a hard reset on the infotainment system. If these steps don't work, it's time to visit a dealer. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.